Okay, this one's gonna be the last property. Oh, oh, mas maganda to. This one's gonna be the living room.
That's nice. This is a corner too.
Yeah. This one's gonna be the kitchen. Naka-separate yung ano, at least may.
Buti may ilaw. Yung iba wala. Oh, yeah. Ito okay. What's mommy's nest?
No, baby, no.
No. Here na lang, anak. Huwag ka po na.
Ito lang ang ano mo dito.
Kung ano, hindi ka upgraded pa rin.
Yeah, that's simple.
Here, you don't even have to worry about the carpet.
Yeah, that's true.
I'll call you, okay? Yeah, this is still available.